In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Guardian. So Guardian is a very good spec character. I like using him as a, more of a support and more of a, tank because he has like the S class in vigor. So here is my relics here. So I suggest just getting one of each of this relic. You don't have to get every single one. Stem recovers with each attack successful +1. It's gonna be important later because when you use Steel Guard, you will recover stamina when you use it. If you don't have this specific one on a relic, there is a other relic that you can get guaranteed, like Knight of the Beast. After beating Tricepalops, non-ever dark version, you can get this relic for him, and this is really good because Steel Guard is really important. And when you use Steel Guard, when you block people, your stamina goes down. So we also have like a bunch of relics I got lucky. I did win the gacha on. So slowly restores nearby allies. When you hold, you heal them, and when you block or use your ability, people target you. Just get any of these. Endurance 3 is pretty good. HP recovery, any successful guarding stat is really nice. I guess you can do guard counters. Boost is good. Endurance 3, pretty nice, or Vigor 3, or Vigor 2. Just pick anything that you want. It doesn't really matter that much, but what matters is that more stamina is pretty nice. So that's just do his remembrance. You will get some of these relic passives, or you can just buy them at the shop. Reflect a portion of damage received when ability is activated. You can get this on the small jar bazaar. You can buy it, I remember. So these are pretty good. Become target of enemy aggression. When you block, the enemy will target you more. So I like using those relics. If you go to small jar bazaar right now, let me scroll down here. You will see like a guardian relic. So reflect a portion of damage. It's pretty good because also has vigor to endurance too. So you have more HP and stamina. And in practice, it's really good. So I'm gonna showcase you what those relic does. So I'm gonna revive this iron menial right here. So this is what steel guard is. So when I ever use steel guard, my stamina comes back, but my stamina drains. But when somebody hits me, I regain that stamina back. So I see from the upper left, my stamina is coming back, and that reflect damage is just flat damage. You wouldn't really get any bonus here depending on the attack. It's just flat 72 damage and it's plus stance breaking. It doesn't matter if you're fighting a dragon who just lunges forward towards you, you will still deal 72 damage. And that's pretty good. That's pretty okay. At least you have the option to do that. So it does have a specific range. You need to be a little bit more close by. I also have that successful guarding is really OP because whenever I guard, I regain a sliver HP. Not that OP, but it's better than nothing, getting nothing. And also the partial HP restoration. So whenever I get hit, I have the chance to get my HP back by hitting the person. So that's pretty nice. I also have boost in guarding. That's nice. It's pretty good. So the relic all works together. So I also have this one. So this whirlwind is really nice. It doesn't work on ball bearing hunter, but it works on medium enemies like this. The crucible knights do fall prey on that, so it's pretty nice to stun lock them because they're kind of hard if you're like low level. So I'm gonna get damage a little bit. I'm gonna use my ult here, and when I hold down my ult, I will get HP back. This is really important because if your friends die, you can just revive them and get their HP and stuff like that because they only have HP. So you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, turn notification, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.